I'm Mike, Product Application Specialist here at Fluke. Let's take a look at two great entry-level multimeter offerings, the Fluke 15B Plus and the Fluke 17B Plus. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a residential, or a commercial electrician, these multimeters are solid choices when you're looking for a quality, accurate, safe multimeter. The 15B Plus is a compact and user-friendly multimeter that packs all the core functionality you need into a portable form factor. It has a large, easy-to-read backlit display. It's Cat 3 600 volt rated and can measure AC and DC voltage, DC millivolts, resistance, capacitance, AC and DC amps, AC and DC milliamps, and AC and DC microamps. It has both the measurement hold and a range function, allowing you to select manual or auto ranging. With these features in mind, you'll have everything you need to tackle a wide range of tasks like checking component health on electrical equipment and appliances, checking voltage at an outlet or switch, checking the continuity of resistance of a wire, or troubleshooting circuits. Let's take a look at the 17B Plus, which adds some more features compared to what the 15B Plus can do. The 17B Plus has the same core functionality as the 15B Plus, but offers a few additional measurement capabilities. With the 17B Plus, we added frequency measurement, allowing you to do things like test electrical signals, troubleshoot circuits, or test electrical components. It also measures temperature and comes standard with a Type K thermocouple, so you can measure things like your refrigeration systems, heat exchangers, and line sets. The 17B Plus also supports relative measurements, which allows you to zero out a source reading so you can easily measure things like voltage drops or temperature changes, making it ideal for identifying and diagnosing issues. The Fluke 15B Plus and 17B Plus are two fantastic entry-level multimeters no matter your experience level. Make sure to think through your day-to-day work environment to choose the model that best suits your needs.
Etekcity's MSR A1000 combines innovative features into a sturdy and reliable device, ready for any electrical task. The backlit LCD's large display makes it easy to see measurements. True RMS provides more accurate readings with overcharge protection up to DC 1000 volts. Check AC/DC voltages and currents, resistance, continuity, diodes, capacitance, temperature, and frequency. Try using NCV, non-contact voltage mode, to detect AC electrical fields without contact. To test the battery, set the multimeter to DC voltage. Auto range will automatically determine the recommended voltage. Connect the black lead to the COM terminal and the red lead to the ohm terminal. Keeping your fingers behind the guards on the test probes, connect the black probe to the negative side and the red probe to the positive. Always make sure to connect the black probe before the red. When taking the probes off, remove the red before the black. To check the voltage of a power strip or outlet, set the multimeter to AC voltage. Insert the probes into the power strip. Make sure they don't touch. A reading of 110 to 120 volts means the strip is working properly. To measure frequency, turn the dial to Hertz and connect the test probes to the circuit. To use non-contact voltage mode, turn the dial to NCV and point the multimeter at the power source. The multimeter will beep if voltage is detected. Don't forget, you can also use the multimeter to check for temperature. Plug in the Type K thermocouple temperature probe and touch the probe to the object you're measuring. These are just a few of the digital multimeter's many easy uses. Etekcity's MSR A1000 is the ultimate tool to test, fix, and solve any electrical problem that comes your way. Etekcity, building on better living.
The AstroAI 2000 count digital clamp multimeter is a pocket-sized, easy-to-use tool for your everyday needs. Measure everything from AC and DC voltage to AC current, frequency, resistance, and capacitance. You can also test diodes and circuit continuity. It has a backlit LCD screen, plus a built-in flashlight for any projects in low light settings. The clamp multimeter also has non-contact voltage detection that beeps and lights up to check for live wires. Select the measurement mode with the rotary dial and use the function button to change the unit of measurement. Press the trigger to open the jaws in order to safely test AC current. Quickly capture readings with the hold button. Our ergonomic layout places the hold button within reach, regardless of how you hold the clamp meter. The AstroAI Digital Clamp Multimeter is the perfect tool for any DIY project to keep you going on all of life's adventures.